Welcome back to Masonry Studio. I'm David Abrams, founder and CEO of Masonry. Last week, I joined The Real Deal at their Future Cities event, which took place at the Baha Mar in the Bahamas. Top executives discussed the future of real estate and prop tech with a deep dive into the metaverse, blockchain, NFTs, and more. John Gilbert, co-founder of Prescriptive Data, dubbed the godfather of prop tech by Amir Karangi, kicked off the event. John asked, if you're not measuring occupancy in your building, are you actually running your building? Nikki Greenberg quickly educated everyone, saying, if you don't know QIC real estate, you're about to. They only have about 100 billion in assets under management. We learned from several companies reinventing how we approach construction and development. Technology is allowing developers to build several components of a building off-site. Michael Stern said it shouldn't be called a construction site. It should be called an assembly site. Greg Smithies, a partner at Fifth Wall Ventures, said, check my math, but I'm fairly certain a building is worth less underwater or on fire. John Fagan, CEO and co-founder of Doorkey, made an incredible point. The consumer wants an all-in-one experience. Imagine you ordered an Uber, and a few minutes later, the driver calls you to let you know where they are. The consumer's response is, why is this call happening right now? Uber spent $10 billion developing their software so that conversation didn't have to happen. UPix amazed the crowd with their technology and involvement in the sales of the 11 residences. UPix teamed up with PMG to provide a unique experience to potential buyers looking at the residences in this new luxury residential development. Kobe Karp had 3 words: recycle, recycle, recycle. We need to minimize the amount of new materials we're creating. We can get a lower emission. It will happen over time, which should be faster because of the speed technology advances. The last morning we had an intimate breakfast. I was inspired by several points made by Calvin Cooper, the founder of Rove. I asked him to share a snapshot on Rove and the importance of knowing when to pivot.
I'm Calvin Cooper. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Rove, and we expand access and opportunity for everyone to invest in and own the places they live, work, and play. We started this company because I was a renter that made the mistake of calculating how much rent I spent in the past 10 years. And if you're like me and you're looking around your city and cranes are going up and you're like, man, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that money's being made here, but it does take a millionaire. Why are the barriers to entry so high? And so we started Rove to solve that problem. It's like Robinhood or Coinbase for real estate. You download an app, you go from not invested to invested in a minute for as little as $1. But whenever you start a passion project, this is for an audience of one. It's really about building a product that I wanted to use. And by extension, our team. We've got an incredible team of software developers who are building this app, and we're building it for ourselves. And so when you go out into the market, it's really about listening, learning, testing, iterating, and pivoting and persevering. And so we've learned a lot over the past couple of years. We're really excited to launch the app now, so download it, and we'll be trading soon.